Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook app how to select and move. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To select and move an object in the Sketchbook app, what you need to do is head over and open up your Sketchbook app, and then what you need to do is open up your drawing or simply draw. Now once you are done with that, tap on the selection tool simply by tapping on this icon on the top, and you'll find the option that's the selection right here. Simply tap on that. Now here choose a selection type as well, from lasso to rectangular, wand or magic wand, and once you do that, all you gotta do is drag and select the part that you want. Now once you have done with that, drag your finger or Apple Pencil to the part of drawing you want to move. Now once selected, tap on transform tool, drag the selection to a new position, use pinch gesture to resize or rotate it. Then once done, tap on done to apply changes, or undo if you want to revert to the move. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.